Backed by half a century experience in the industry, EAE is your reliable and innovative manufacturer offering busbar, rack cabinet, and cable tray systems worldwide. High airflow and robust rack cabinets, a wide range of busbar systems with versatile tap-off boxes ensure we meet a variety of customer demands for reliability, flexibility, and cost efficiency in providing power and digital infrastructure to any data center. EAE differentiates itself with the ability to customize the tap-off boxes in a variety of different configurations for power distribution, monitoring, and energy management. Customized location of plug-in points and tap-off boxes enable an independent setup for choosing a variety of electrical equipment to be installed regardless of the brand. MCBs, SPDs, RCCBs, power meters, energy analyzers, current transformers can be installed, wired, and delivered. Metering over RS485 or TCP IP connection in the EAE tap-off boxes using the structured cabling enables our customers to monitor and manage the critical energy parameters of your data center power distribution. This is a value-added tool to maximize the uptime of your IT infrastructure and maintain the operational sustainability. And availability is the result of EAE data center solutions. The real-time monitoring of energy consumption, energy quality, and temperature in the tap-off box, enabling you to manage and drive your IT infrastructure with peace of mind.